Morning, and we're out on a day ride. It's just a short journey to the station, get the train to Haltwhistle, and I'm going to have a little meander back from Haltwhistle, so I'll bring you back later on. Right, that is us at Haltwhistle, so we can now start our trip back home. I think we need to do a loop around the station and head over that bridge and pick up the South Tynedale trail. Yeah, it's definitely a different day here. It was blue skies when I left Carlisle, and the further I got towards the hills, the old cloud has descended, but hopefully it will burn off as we head east, head west even. We've come east, we're heading back west, but yeah, I can feel little bits of drizzle and all in the air. Right, onwards. Yeah, that bit we went through before, I think must have been, well, it must get used by farm vehicles as well as being a footpath cycleway. But yeah, still good surface. I mean, yeah, I think it has been tarmac, but it's started to break up. But still a solid surface. So that's 3 miles we've done so far. So we've got an old platform here, and this place is Featherstone, so obviously want to halt Featherstone station, but we cross a road just down here and then continue. We're going to head this way to Lambley, because once you get across the viaduct, unfortunately you can't get any further to pick up the cycleway down to Alston unless you carry it down a load of steps. But we'll go and have a look at the viaduct, and we might have to come back and then pick up the route again. It's on Lambley viaduct, but as I said, you can only go to the other end and then it's blocked off. The path's only so far along mine, but yeah, it's a bit of a pain. You can carry it down the steps and stuff, but we'll see. It's a long way down. Yeah. Yeah, so the railway does continue. You've got Lambley station, but yeah, it doesn't want you through, so that's a no-no. But the steps are just here. But when you see them, yeah, they go down there and you've got to go. I might do. Yeah, I've just decided to retrace my steps back to the road, pick up the road and then go around the long way. Can't be bothered lugging the bike all the way down them steps and up the other side. It's quite a good, it's very clarty underfoot, so right, we're on the move again. So I've got a little road section, and then we can follow the railway, the old railway, as a trail in a few miles. It's a pretty quiet road. The railway is just down there, well, the old railway, but you can't access that bit. We're off road once again, picked up the old railway line. I'll follow this as far as I can and then I'll have to go back on the road again. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of brightness as we're heading further west. Hopefully in another hour or so we should be into the good stuff. Yeah, it's closed off, but they're saying you can cross at your own risk. We'll go for it. Made it. Yeah, lots of old mine workings around this area. Right, so I've got to just concentrate where I'm going. Right, so they're saying it's not a right of way, but they're letting you through. Let's see how far we get. Got some remains of probably mine workings, they're little carriages those. So if there was a mine somewhere in here, and these were the little relics of times gone by. Right, I can continue on that path, but I'm just going to pick up the road. The bike is proper flattered up on that section. Just stopped for a coffee at the Hallbankgate Hub community shop and cafe. Perfect. Right, so we're now refueled on cake and coffee. So these hills should be no problem. I don't know about that. It's defeated us. Right, just stop for 5. A few geese and swans on this little pond here. So yeah, it's lovely now the sun's out. But I've got a few more hills to climb just yet. So we're on about 18 miles, so nearly halfway of what the route I've made anyhow. Should be about just under 40 miles by the time we get home. Yeah, there's not really enough room for cyclists and pedestrians, so I'm off. So yeah, some view from up here, River Eden. The sun has well and truly gone, sadly. We've had a bit of hill climbing, but we joined the main road for a few hundred yards and then we're back on the side roads again. I mean, these side roads are relatively quiet, especially being during the week, but I suppose any time round here is quiet. Up in north. night, that's us home. So it was 41 mile, I think it was 3 hours, just under 4 hours. I mean, I've stopped lots, stopped, started, took pictures, just steady away. But you know, the weather's basically went overcast from when I got on the bike, really. I did try to get out probably about into 20 mile, but then it just went again. But hey ho, stayed dry. So just a quick wash of the bike before I put it away, and we'll see it out on the next one.